Today I wanted to share with you a brand new style from TressAllure, and it's called GLAM. And wow, ladies, is it gorgeous. I could never have grown my hair this long. So if this is up your alley, something long, layered, and extremely natural looking, then you're going to want to stay tuned here. So I'll do a turn so that you can see GLAM on all sides. But first, let me get up close so that I can show you that hairline. It's done incredibly well. You've got a lace front that extends all the way into the ear tab. Now, ladies, this is a lot of hair. Now, TressAllure describes this as low density. I wouldn't necessarily say this is low density, perhaps in comparison to other styles with this type of length, because this is a long piece. At the longest, on average, this is about 25 inches. So here's my front. This is my right side. So you can see it is coming almost to just above my waist. My left-hand side and back to the front. Although this is a really long piece, these beautiful layers cut all throughout it does help to create that lighter feel. So I'm really enjoying that. This piece has a full monofilament top. So although I have it parted down the middle, you can part it on the right, you can part it on the left, you choose. I love that type of cap feature. And then you've got open wefting on the sides and on the back, which really helps to keep our head cool when we're wearing a wig. This style GLAM is made from TressAllure's heat stylable synthetic fiber. You're absolutely going to need a wide tooth comb in your purse to comb this out throughout the day. And whenever you have heat defiant synthetic fibers, you want to start combing it from the bottom and making your way up versus starting on the top and pulling down. That's just going to help keep those fibers looking and feeling like new. So from a care perspective with the heat defiant synthetic fibers, especially with a style with this much length, you're going to want to be applying heat. I would say every two wears, and I'm talking a full day wear. So what I would do is I would take my hot air brush, put it on low, and run it through these ends. You do want to first spray it with a really good heat protectant. And if you're looking for one, I would recommend the Hair You Wear Restore. It's a really great product that actually works double duty. It is both a detangler, a conditioner, and a heat protectant. All right, let's talk about the gorgeous lengths on this piece. These front sections are 13 1/4. The crown is 18 inches. It's a long 18 inches. And then the sides are 14 3/4 inches. The nape is 16.75 inches. And then all together, this wig weighs 7.725 ounces. Now, you may think, gosh, Erin, that seems a little bit heavy. For a piece of this length, I would say it's about average. Why don't I stand back so that you can fully see the scale and length of this particular piece. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So this particular style GLAM comes in many different shades. I just so happen to have it in my favorite TressAllure shade, which is 14/26/R10. And what the heck does that mean? It's those number codes are an indication of the blended shades that are within the overall color, okay? So you've got a light red brown mixed with gold blonde, and then it's rooted with a light medium brown. What I will tell you is when you look at the color swatch online of this particular color, that color swatch doesn't do it any justice at all. It's one of the most beautiful blondes that I've worn before, and certainly my favorite within the TressAllure lineup. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take GLAM off so I can show you the inside of her cap, okay? So here's that full monofilament top that I talked about. And if you're new to wearing wigs, all that means is that anywhere that you part your wig within this space of that monofilament, you're going to get an illusion of scalp, okay? And then your lace front that runs all the way into the ear tabs. You've got felt covered ear tabs, and then this portion is called wefting. So you've got wefting on the sides and on the back. And this part of the wig is called the nape, and it's an extended nape, and it's extended because a regular nape would be about half the depth of what we're seeing here. And you may notice there are Velcro adjusters right here, so you can adjust this cap to your head circumference. This is an average size cap. I have a 22-inch circumference head, and it's fitting me perfectly. As much as this style is absolutely gorgeous, it's not a length that I would typically wear day in and day out. Perhaps for a party or for a wedding or for date night. But for me personally, this is long hair. But I know many of you absolutely love this length, so I wanted to show it to you. But if you said to me, Erin, I love the general style of it, but looking for something a little bit shorter, then I would point you over to TressAllure's Sensational, okay? The style is almost identical to that of GLAM. The cap construction is identical. The difference that you're gonna see is Sensational is a little bit shorter, comes about to here, and therefore it's also lighter in weight. I love Sensational. If I was to pick, I would probably pick Sensational over GLAM because just a personal preference of length and comfort of wearing this long of a hair. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at TressAllure's brand new GLAM, but I'd love to hear from you. Is this length your jam, or is it way too long for you? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're interested in this style, you can head over to my friends at wigsbypattispearls.com and use my discount code ERYNN, ERYNN 25 to get 25% off. Stay well and stay safe. Bye everybody.